In front of me is POCO X4 GT, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on More icon and select History. And now just tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here you will find Basic and Advanced options. So under Basic you've got Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and Cache Images and Files, so just mark those that you would like to remove. Then move to Advanced and you've got 3 more, which are Saved Passwords, Out of Inform Data, and Site Settings. So it's up to you, whichever you would like to remove. Then they need to be marked, then select the time range and tap on Clear Data. Confirm it by tapping on Clear, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.